All right, Yusung, I have a couple quick questions for you here as we slowly wind down time. Could you show an example of advanced 3D graphics?
Oh, that's not a simple question. Okay, so yeah, well, we happen to have actually the course called the Advanced 3D Graphics. So I just grabbed that notebook and show you, just go through. It's a two, broad topic right now. So I will show you showcase what you can do with the Mathematica, especially 3D graphic combined with the this interactive technique. So yeah, I mean this is a typical scene of the stage, right? And I'm pretty sure somebody grabbed the for the Maya or the 3D Max to create this, right? It's pretty sophisticated computer graphics. It almost looks like real. Now, same scene, of course not that. I mean, I don't have time for this, but this looks like just a static picture, although you just realize this is actually a Mathematica scene. See? So Mathematica provide all modern the graphics facility you can think of. Of course, you can move around things. You can get rid of some of the things, like and these things. It's completely written in Mathematica. You can see, so the advanced 3D graphics, I'm a graphics person, so for me, it's a couple of things in the modern, the world. So proper lighting model. Mathematica support all 4 different lighting models that you can find in other computer graphics language. And then another one is translation and transformation of the object, which Mathematica also support, right? So for instance, that cow case, it's not like computing the cow in any other direction. I just translated it according to the some value based on slider. Of course, lighting, you can see. Another one, which is great addition to version 8, is a texture. As you can see, we have a nice looking floor and the wall, which is actually based on real textures, right? So I can quickly go through. So we have a lighting model which supplies all different ambient, directional, and a point and spotlight. Each light model we don't have a time to describe it, but I made a nice nice looking examples to describe how this lighting model works in each situation. The point light model, same story. It's it works like this. Advanced properties like distance, how the lighting changes according to the distance, And then we have a spotlight, which is kind of interesting, right? Instead of the other 2 lights, it has a more limited version of it. Now, how this works with, I mean, there's a lot of different topics. How this works with the dynamics, for instance. So this is a good example. We have a very sophisticated camera model that we can control, viewpoint, view angle, any aspect of this camera model, you can change it around. So you can see, this is how it works. So you have a viewpoint changing in here, as you can see how it affects the graphics, you can actually see the effect. Now, how it works with the actual coding. So let me see if I have the code for that. Yeah, okay. So this is just simple model. You can interactively control in Mathematica. We have a function. So when you want to do that, you mouse over the picture, then click your, for the left mouse button, or in my case, just the D mouse button, and then you move around. Now you can do a panning by clicking Shift and the button, and you can do a zooming by Control, right? Yeah, Control or Command on Mac, I believe, right? So you can do this interactive control. Now, if you want to take, okay, I love this viewpoint. I want to just get the value out of it. What you can do is taking the options. The / means, it's a, postfix syntax. So it's nothing more than just same as just this, You do this, and voila, you get your view angle, view center, viewpoint, any values that you want to use. You can reuse it on other graphics and such. So, and I highly recommend if you're really interested in graphic courses, this course explains a lot of different things, texture, how you want to play with the texture, surface properties, and everything is actually using the dynamic interface we just tried to describe here. So I think it's a very good, course to go through if you are really interested in. And this course is featured in the Wolfram training site. If we go to the Dinner Mathematica site, there's a topic called Advanced 3D Graphics. And it's only 30 minutes, and I bet it'll be well spent 30 minutes for you if you're interested in graphics.
No, great. And if you want to find those, it's wolfram.com/training.